my sweet darling, darling of my life. Not claimed, not commanded, but chosen in time. You are my partner when weight appears, my support when the path feels long. You stand beside me, not behind, not ahead, steady, equal, strong. We did not rush into one shape, we learned how to align. Two lives listening carefully until truth drew the line. We become one, one in faith, not fear, one in trust that breathes freely, one in purpose clear. We built our home with patience, our family held by care. Love united us without force, a refuge born of love we share. Our differences, we let them speak and rest. Different views, one discipline. Truth keeps us aligned, not pressed. Respect is how we answer, honor is how we stay. We don't win by raising voices, we endure by the way. Prosperity is not speed or noise, but a path that does not break. We build our life with steady hands, awake to every stake. Renewed each day, a journey shaped by mutual trust where neither drifts away. In love and work and wait and hours we stand without disguise, one in the truth that holds us firm, one under open skies. One under open skies. We remain a refuge in the light, not hidden, not exposed. Accountable to truth and care, this is the life we chose.